Hey guys, I'm Jake, and I am incredibly excited to talk to you today because I want to tell you about my app. It's Waterstone. I got into coding because I wanted to code this specific app. And although it is not exactly where I'd like it to be, I am still incredibly proud of all the work that I've done in it, and I want to share with you what it is, what it can do, and where I ultimately want it to go. So this is Waterstone, and the goal is that you can take existing workout videos on YouTube and you can customize them to fit your own training goals. I got into working out with P90X back in the day, and that was fantastic, but eventually I outgrew it, and I wanted to have that same experience but be able to just substitute in moves that actually fit my new goals. And this is a tool that would allow you to do that. It allows you to take a video and it will substitute in moves during that. So let's go ahead and take either one of these workouts. Let's take this basketball skills workout, okay? As an example. It takes a second to load, but once it's there, you have basketball skill drills, right? And you can play it. And what we're gonna do is let's go ahead and get started with it. It'll start at a certain point in the video, and then it will sync that up for you. You can see that the move plays itself. You wanna come on? There you go, good boy. All right, so like you can see, you press play on the video and it starts off at the right spot. You follow along with it. I'll just mute this so I can talk over it. This is just an embedded video, just like that. So it gives the creator all of the same credit that you would if you were to embed this on a blog post or anything like that, which I think is incredibly important. That's why I wanted to build it like this, because I want to be able to give creators the same credit that you would get anywhere else. And it'll sync up, and you can do this follow along drill. It'll follow along with it. It paces out that, and as we get closer to the time, it's going to do a little 3, 2, 1, and then it's going to switch to the next move. Now this, I believe I have it so it just goes. I think I jumped to the next part. 2, 1, and it's going to jump, and then it jumps to the next part in the video. And if you wanted to jump to a future part, you just tap on that, and it jumps to that, and then the play bar syncs up, and it will move through that. So that's the essential feature of it, which is really cool. And this works on your phone too, which I thought was incredibly cool. I just built it and it worked on that. Now, some of the stuff you need to have an account to. So if you want to be able to edit the workout or heart, you need to create an account. And this is how you do it. So you go up here. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. That I log in, give it a second, and there we go. See, not now. But you can see I'm signed in right here. I can go to my account. I can, there we go. I can do it. You can see all my favorite ones right here. Whoops, I accidentally favored the same one twice. So if I want to just unfavorite it, there you go. And then if you want to share it, it'll copy that to the clipboard. You can press play on that. Here's another one that I do. This is actually my current training routine. So I'm working on my splits and my one arm pull up. So I wanted to put those together in a single routine, and you can. And here we go. So it takes this nice little leg stretching routine. She's crazy flexible. I wish I was that flexible. But it's going to do that, and we can jump through it. Or let's say I'm feeling like I just want to work on my one-arm pull-ups today. I can jump to that section. And the cool thing about this, let me show you some of the cool features that I'm really excited about. So normally during a workout, like during a rest break, you might just say pause the video, do stuff like this. But you can actually have this play a certain video. So for the rest break, so for example, here's my pull-up warm-up set. It jumps to this, and give it a second for the YouTube video to load. That's YouTube, not me. Here's, like I had to film some of my own workouts to get this done, but so we do this warm-up set, and then it's going to go 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then during the rest break, it actually is going to play an educational video to teach you about rest breaks during that. So the idea is that you can put in whatever you want during your rest breaks, and then it's going to play that, and at a certain point, like here, I'll jump ahead to 54 seconds like this, and it's going to fast forward it like that. 2, 1, and then at the right point, it's going to get you back into the workout. So that way you can listen to a podcast, you can do whatever you want during your workout, and it's going to allow you to focus on your sets during your sets and allow your mind to focus on that educational content or whatever else you want to do, your music, so on and so forth, during that rest break. And I think that's so cool. So you can get this whole thing. And I also thought that this was a pretty cool idea that during I can put on a little hype of it. So you can have a specific section of music playing right before your power set right there. So it just snaps onto it, and I love it. I don't know. I thought that was so cool. This is Blackpink's How You Like That. And, if you want to, you can always, just click on that and it'll take you to the full YouTube video. So like creators get all this credit. If you pause the video, workout pauses as well. And I think it works really well, actually. It has the functionality that I wanted. And I'm just incredibly excited about it. And you can create workouts too. I think that that's the most important thing. You can go up here to create a workout and you can type in the name, the description, the thumbnail URL. It'll validate all this. And the way that the workouts are laid out is that each one has sections and then there are moves. And during the moves, you can have multiple videos play and you can choose a start and end time. Right now, it supports any web embed video. I've been only testing it with YouTube, so no promises on any web, but the player that I'm using should support any web embed because it's just an HTML5 video element, which is what everything on the web uses. And then you can also remove videos, and you can add videos. You can add moves like this, so you can have as many as you want, which is really cool. You can always clear the form, and then if you want to save the workout that you created to your account, you just have to favorite it. That's all. But I think it works really cool. And if you guys want to test it out, you absolutely can. All it is waterstone.app. It is absolutely free to create an account. There's nothing there. And I would love to do more with this. There's so many features that I want to add. I think that a big problem with this right now is that to create one of the workouts, you have to enter the start and end time of the video here. And this has to be, you can't do 3 minutes like that. It has to be a number. It has to be the number of seconds you want it to have. So you have to convert that in your head, which is kind of annoying. So there's a lot of small little quality of life improvements. Or it'd be nice if this had a looping feature, because I found that that's been a lot. I can look up an exercise library, but I want it to be play for a minute rather than just 10 seconds that they demo it for. So it'd be nice if I was able to loop it a little bit easier, because right now you have to do copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, and you have to add the move a bunch of times. So there's some stuff I'd like to do in the future, but right now I just am incredibly happy with where it is and what it's done for me, and I actually enjoyed using it. I think that I also should talk about the info button. If you ever need to, you can always do a quick edit of the video title, the video URL, and the start and end time within the workout too. So that allows you to, let's say that you want to play this for, 11 seconds, whatever it is, you can save that like that. I don't want to do that because I have it all set up right now. But it's super cool that it allows you to do this. You can edit the workout live in it. And I think that this could go a lot of places. I'm just incredibly excited about it. And it has all the core functionality that I wanted. It allows you to take your own workout video, whatever one you like doing. You can add that in. You can annotate it using that create a workout feature. Oh, by the way, if you need to edit a workout, you just click here on edit a workout, and it'll do that. You should know that to preserve linking, right now I have it so it creates a new workout at the end. So if you make any changes, it'll allow you to submit that, and it'll just create a new one. So if you want to save that, you have to favorite it again. But just so you're aware, still, I am incredibly excited about it, and you can test one of the workouts below here, and it allows you to do the workout explanation, so you can have that there as a reference, and then you can throw in another. Here's a total body mobility warm up that's from another video. So this just explains the routine, but doesn't actually have it be a follow along routine. So now you can make all those workout explanation videos follow along routine videos, which I think is super cool. And this can be a whole community around making this, and I think it allows you to remix the best elements of a bunch of different videos and make it into your own nice little practice tool. So all you have to do is just show up, press play, and follow along. And I think that I'm really happy with it. I heart this, it'll show up like that. If I go to my account, favorite workouts like that, nice. If you do add a thumbnail URL to any of these workout videos in the edit, it will show up right there. But yeah, so I think that this is incredibly cool, and I hope that you guys check it out. If you have any bugs or feature requests, or just want to say thanks, you can click this little question mark icon up here, and it will allow you to send me an email, which you can do at jake@waterstonefitness.com, or you can leave a comment below. This is what I've been working on for the last few months, and ultimately I am just incredibly proud of myself and it for doing it. I wanted to share that with you guys. So I hope that you give it a shot. I'm sure that there's going to be bugs that I haven't spotted, but let me know what you think, okay? And as always, thanks for getting better.